Once I help you to discover what your calling is, then I will go ahead to tell you how to convert anything you have, any calling you have, any gift you have. I would later tell you how to convert those gifts to money. So don't be afraid that your calling might not have money in it. But any call has money in it. Any gift has money in it. And any land, just like any land, if you have a land of promise, there is milk and honey in that land of promise. So every land of promise has milk and honey, but it's not flowing like that, so that you don't see with physical eyes flowing. You need to do some things. You need to know what to do to be able to bring out the milk and the honey in your promised land. The idea that I'm trying to communicate to you today is, whatever you can do, and give yourself to sacrificially, totally, that talks about where your gift is. You remember the situation with Jesus when they came when Jesus with the Samaritan woman at the well. They came to him and they were saying, "Hey, Master, you've not gone to eat. You've not gone to eat. I mean, we have gone to eat, and we thought you were going to catch up with us, but you didn't come. And we have come back, and you are still here. What are you doing with this woman? I mean, we don't see any interest in her. I mean, she's even not a Jewish woman. She's a Samaritan woman. They think she's like nothing." I don't want to use that word, but they think like Jesus shouldn't even be sitting near her. But especially, knowing the biography of that woman. But and Jesus told them something. I have a food that you are not aware of. I have a food. So this is the kind of thing I'm saying. He found his passion, something that will make him to forget about food, something that will make him to forget about reward, any other reward, gratification. So it is coming from inside, something that you are so given to, something that you are driven to do, so much driven that you neglect some other rewards, so much driven that you forget about instant gratification, so much driven that you lose control of immediate pleasure or immediate sense of pleasure. You are so much driven by that you are inward focus rather than outward focus. You know that there is such a burden in your heart that burden is much more real than the pressure that is coming, the pressure to make a living, the pressure to just make money, the pressure to build a house, but the pressure to want to conform, the pressure to want to be like other people. There is this inner satisfaction that is calling, that is deeper than the things that people are flaunting and around you.